Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp message is taking too long to go. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now there might be some couple of reasons for this issue. And the first of them is the internet connection. If your internet connection is not connected properly, this problem often appears into your device. Now in order to solve, just simply open your Chrome or any of the other browser that you use. And after that, just simply open this site of fast.com. And after opening the fast.com, it will show the current internet speed of your connection. And if you have any problem into your internet connection, you can easily see into here. And after that, if your internet connection was not connected properly, fix your internet connection. Then after that, your message will start to be sent quickly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.